Next it says write an equation for the parabola. Write an equation for each of the parabolas. Alright, so let's go A. Let's try A. A is this one. Who wants to try? Chenier, let's go. Let's do it. Y. I'm going to help you out here, okay? Yeah, the vertex. Well, you start with Y, right? So for A is this one. We're going to say Y equals, and we got to determine what the A value is. Yeah. So if I'm going here, really the first step should give it to us, right? So these are going by 2, right? So I got to go 2 over. So it's going down from 3 to 3.5. Sorry, from 3 to 2.5, right? Over 1. Do you see that? So this is 1, and it goes down 0.5. So what would the A value be? Yeah, that's right. Okay, that's probably the hardest part. Now what? Bracket. Yes. So what do I write? Bracket. What do I write here?
-1?
No. I gotta put X.
Oh, X.
Now what?
Then negative.
Nope. The formula, you're right, is negative H, but H is already -1, so what do I put?
Oh, plus.
Yep. Plus what?
Plus 1.
Yep. And then K?
And then K is... -3.
Nope.
Oh, positive 3.
Yep. Alright. B. Josiah. I'm going to help you out here. I'm going to give you the vertex. -2, 1. That's my vertex. Okay, what am I going to write? Y equals... What's the A value here, Josiah? You're going over 1 and you're going down 1. So what's your A value? Yep. Yeah, not 1, but it's going down. So you, yeah, so negative. Don't actually write 1 for A, you just put negative. Okay, now what? Yep. Yep. Now what? Yep, plus 1 out here, but I got to finish this off, right? Yeah. Okay. And C, Andrew.
Y equals 0.5.
Let's see. Go over 1 and you're going up 1. Over 1? No, you're going, sorry, over 1, up 2.
-2.
Nope. 2, yep.
X bracket X X plus 4.
Nope. Here's your vertex right down here.
X minus 2.
Yeah.
Bracket squared.
Yeah.
Minus 4.
Yeah. Easy, right? No? Anybody confused? Alan, what are you confused about? Okay, yeah, I'm going to show you. So, step pattern. the basic step pattern where A is 1 is 1, 3, 5. Okay, we already showed that on yesterday, or whenever the last lesson was. That step pattern is based on an x value increasing by 1. X goes 1, y goes 1. X goes 1, y goes 3. X goes 1, y goes 5. That's the pattern of the steps. Okay? Now the way we figured it out here is I'm following this graph. So I go, it's not 1 because the units up here are going over by 2, right? Like this is only 0.5. So that's why I know I have to go over 2 of these squares. So I go over 2, and then if I go up 1, I'm not on the graph. I have to go up 2 more, so I'm actually going over 1, up 2. So that's how I know my step pattern, my A value is 2, because I had to go over 1, up 2. Likewise, where y is negative 0.5 here, I'm going over 1, which is 2 blocks, and I'm going down 1, which is only 0.5. So my step pattern then is 0.5, 1.5, 2.5. Okay? You clear by that? Sure? All right. Alan, you're going to try this one. Write an equation for the parabola with vertex 7, negative 11, and passes through the point 5, 1. All right, so they're giving us the vertex, and they give us a point. That's it. They don't give us the A value. Wah, wah, wah. Not easy. Who wants to? Alan, try this out, okay? I'm going to start off with our vertex form. Okay, Alan? You're going to try and plug in this. So it says the parabola has a vertex 7, negative 11. So what am I going to write here?
X minus 7.
Yep.
Minus 11.
Squared minus 11. Good. So that's kind of all we know. And then it says it passes through this point 5, 1. So what you actually have to do is we need to find out A. How can we find out A? Liam. Yeah, we plug in this value. So 1 is actually y, and x is 5. So now we get 1. Okay, we get A is 3, so therefore we know our formula is this. Okay? Yep.
How did the 4 get in front of the 8?
Because it was negative 2 squared. It's 4. So it was A4, you're right, but A4 is the same as 4A.
Oh, I thought it was.
Doesn't matter how the order when you multiply. It's like 5 times 6 or 6 times 5.
I thought it would be like A plus 4 minus 11.
You thought it would be A plus 4?
Yeah, minus 11.
No. This is multiplied with the bracket. There's no plus there.
Yeah, once I clear it, I just keep it in the same place. Then I keep the positive side in front.
No, this is 4A. Can you wait? Oh, we're almost done, Chenier. Almost. 2 more minutes. Let's see. Actually, I think we are done. Are we done? We're done. Yes, we're done. You can go to the washroom. Yeah, this is your homework, okay? It's at the bottom of page 1. Right here. Yeah, you can. You got 2 minutes left. But there's your homework. Guys, make sure